Hi guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I want to show you a few things about my Mercedes GLB 250. So as you can see in front of me there is a dashboard. I need to screw the airbags and the air vents, and I will go with this dash to the body shop. Also I have to mount on this bumper new grill, and I will show you this, I hope. And also in this episode I want to show you a few things what's going on with the Mercedes. So I will be putting it together and I will drive with this car to the body shop. Unfortunately I cannot record there, so maybe one day I will show you they work. Let's start doing the magic with the Mercedes. Hinges are screw. Now I can take the hood and I will put the hood on the car. That this will cure better, and I will do a quick polish, because here and there are some dirt. So now I will put the hood on the car. I am alone and I hope I will not destroy the hood. So wish me luck. Okay guys, the hood is secure. I don't have wrench to do it, so I have to go for the wrenches, and I will screw the hood. Okay guys, I have bolts and wrench. Now I will screw the hood. So in the body shop they have to align everything, so this is only for transporting purpose. So the hood is secure now. Whew, I am happy. It came out really good, I think. Whew. Ay. Okay guys, so everything is screw for transporting purpose. So look, the color matching is, I think, very good, almost perfect. And now I will close the hood, but I think I have to put something soft here because I don't want to damage the fenders. So I need to find some kind of thing, and I will put it there. Done! So guys, the car is on its own. My job is almost finished, so I am wondering, because I want to paint those silver trims and rims using plastic dip and paint them on black, piano black or such of kind of color. What do you think, guys? Maybe I think it should look much better. So guys, at this moment everything is screwed together. I have to clean the entire car. I will polish the hood fenders. I will show you this later on. So hello guys. So I have headliner. The headliner was reduced. Look. And now I have to take it to the garage. Okay, so this thing is here. Ooh, look what is here. Boni, uważaj. Co to jest, Boni? Boni, jedź. What's going on there? What's going on there? Did you miss your body? Did you miss your body? So as you can see guys, I have the engine loaded on the truck. I give this engine to the car mechanic to check, you know, every oil levels, because here is the, see, here is the damage. This is the water pump from the gearbox. Here is the gearbox, and the oil was leaking somewhere from here. So he have to change the oil filters, and he give me the oil, and I asked him to check the, you know, the entire engine. He said that everything is okay here, and I can put the engine to the car. Let's go. My crazy dog. I borrowed this car, and now I have to give the car back. My dog want to come with me, and away we go. Mission accomplished! Suhu! Success! You! Mission accomplished! Now I will put the belts, I don't know the English name for it, to secure the car, and I can drive to the body shop. So now I am driving to the body shop. And I am very happy because soon the car will be finished and I will do some mileage on it. And of course I will show you the entire car in the end. So I am stopping recording here. I am stopping recording here and we will meet in my place because I don't want to record in the body shop. Hi guys, so guys, I do something of the camera because my car after the accident had a damaged front grille, and I changed for the new one and I ordered the AMG version, but mine had that kind of diamond, you know. Honestly, I like more that kind of grille. The badging is missing here, AMG, but this is not true AMG version, so maybe I will leave it that way because this car have only a AMG package. So tell me what you think. I will show you now how it looks like, but after accident with the old grille. I will show you on the few scenes. So now guys, I will install the airbag. Okay, done. Now I have to connect the air lines and put a wire because the air vents are, you know, illuminated. So I will do this now. Okay, so one vent is installed, time to for second one. I have to put this entire wire harness and the job will be done.